What's up, peeps? Let's get into some cryptocurrency news. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research. Fa la 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 la. Listen, I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. Today is December 26, 2021. And as always, we are going to get this crypto money. We are going to make these gains. You know why? Because 2022 is going to be amazing for crypto. All right. Things are going to take off. All right. Guys, have patience. It's going to pay off. If Bitcoin did not crash right now, and it's currently sitting at around 51,000, think about that. That is going to be the bottom coming into 2022. Listen, we are not going to leave 2022 without a six-figure Bitcoin. And with a six-figure Bitcoin, you know what that's going to do? The alts are going to go way higher than they did beginning of this year when we had that big momentum in the alts. All right. So for today, the coin that we will talk about is a coin called DEXIOPROTOCOL. This is an article from Yahoo Finance. Everything that I discuss in this video, I'll put a link to it. DEXIOPROTOCOL aims to revolutionize blockchain-based gaming by launching a user-friendly NFT platform and developing their own blockchain network and exchange. Complete with a secure, sophisticated digital wallet and a state-of-the-art AR application, DEXI is a utility token within its gaming ecosystem and was released on October 20th. DEXIOPROTOCOL is also announcing a cutting-edge NFT Marketplace launching on October 29th. The cryptocurrency gaming company is currently developing 3 games. The beta version of the DEXI Hunter app, its flagship augmented reality crypto bounty hunting game, will be available to whitelisted testers by the end of November. Legends of the DEXIverse, a voxel art single-player game, and DEXI Hero, an online card game, will also be available later this year. Their intention is to create many more, fully intending to become an industry standard in augmented reality AR app development. The new network, the Smart DEXIO Network, SDN, is already being put through the paces, with DEXI and DXZ scheduled to be migrated to mainnet before the end of the year. Now, this is an article that was actually written by Yahoo Finance back on October 23rd, 2021. It pretty much described the project itself very good. And as you can see, they are a part of the gaming and the NFT space. As you know, guys, gaming NFTs have done tremendous throughout 2021, and they will do even more amazing in 2022. Especially NFTs, that is the future. Now, currently, DEXIOPROTOCOL is ranked at number 3,975. It's on 10,212 people's watch list. Current price is at 0.0001084, and it's been down 4.84% in the past 24 hours. Volume is currently at 137,000. The market cap in circulating supply is not yet reported. So overall, this project, I just want to be fair and clear with you guys. It's a high risk, high reward, but it's one of those projects that you're going to get in if you're interested in, not financial advice, at the early stage. All right. So as you can see, looking at the chart, project came out back in May, being publicly available. Look at how price pumped up. This is where it was at May. In fact, you see 0.000005298. Now, being patient, in September, it was at 0.00004717. So it dropped from having 5 zeros, it dropped 1 zero. Pumped up even more, it dropped another zero. Middle towards the end of October, it went from 5 zeros in May to now 3 zeros. And of course, as you know, crypto, all the altcoins, we had a mini bear market where everything crashed and price went down, but it's been pumping up. And one of the reasons why I'll show you later is because back then it was only available pretty much on PancakeSwap, right? Now you can actually buy it on L-Bank recently. So if you guys are interested in this project, you can buy it on L-Bank and avoid the gas fees from having to buy through PancakeSwap. Now, looking at the all-time high, the all-time high was actually back on October 24th, 2021, about 2 months ago at 0.0002866. And it's been down from then. It's been down 62% since then. As you know, there's been FUD in the crypto space that played a part. Bitcoin having a crash also played a part. But this project is a project that's not really discussed as much. As you can see, it's not ranked high, but it looks like it has some potential for people that like to get into projects at the early stages before everybody starts talking about them, because that's how you make the big gains and make the big bags. Now, currently looking at the BSC scan, you can see that there are currently 20,362 addresses. These are current wallets that currently have this project. Now, this is their website. So there's a website. You can click here. The app is actually the DEXI wallet. It's currently on Google Play. So for the people that have Android, this is it right here, the DEXI wallet. So that was what was so fascinating about this project. Although it's not discussed as much, they actually have a working product, unlike a lot of crypto projects. They also have a Apple version for all the iPhone users, but currently it's not available in the United States. So if you're not located in the United States, you can check it out. But unfortunately, I am in the United States, so I cannot check it out. But this is the website. Like I mentioned, you can actually buy it on L-Bank. That is the first exchange that has been launched on. And as you can see, the DEXI Hunter app, look at this. It reminds me of Pokemon Go, where basically you're just going around throughout the world and trying to collect DEXI, an interactive game that allows you to collect digital assets around the world. Yeah, that was, remember Pokemon Go from back in the days? It was like a couple years ago that was hyped up. That is kind of a cool feature that this one is having right now. So that looks pretty interesting. Now, here's more about the website. So their code was audited by Brew Labs, as you can see. Just skimming through this. You guys can actually check it out for yourself. I'll put a link to it. But here's the team. So he is the CEO. He is also the Chief Development Officer. This is also a co-founder, Chief Operating Officer. So they actually show their face, which is actually very good. This is more about the team. So this is one of those sleeping projects that you will only find out if you dig deep into researching and trying to discovering projects before they get well known. But that is how you make the big gains in crypto, by being an early stage investor. So I'll put a link to this. You guys can read it for yourself. Now, more about the team. So here's a picture. When you come to the website, you can see the picture of Don and also Greg. They also have links to their LinkedIn page. You can also email them, which is very cool. And there's also the Telegram link. The fact that you can actually email them, and also the LinkedIn page too, but the fact that you can actually email them directly, that is very cool. That shows that they are interested in growing this project. They're not trying to rug pull people. They're not trying to get rich quick and trying to make a scheme and make people lose their money and run off with their money. But they are interested in growing this project. And as you can see, so far, things look good. Now, this is also the white paper. I'll put a link to it. This is basically their roadmap, as you can see. I'm going to skim through it real quick. So they have listed applications for Gateio and Kucoin. Like I said, the way to make money in crypto is being an early stage investor, especially Gateio and especially Kucoin. If and when they get listed on Kucoin, price will skyrocket even more than it currently is. So that is why, yes, it's risky to get into projects early, but when you're able to get into projects before they get listed on major exchanges, you're able to get in at a discount price. And that is how you make the big bucks. Now, this is also their NFT Marketplace. As you can see, very cool designs. Shout out to everybody that contributed, that created these NFTs. They look very nice. And also they have the DEXI Nights, so you can download it for Windows and Mac. DEXI Night is a PvP, PvE gaming using upgradable NFTs. So DEXI Night invites you into a competitive world where you'll be able to challenge other players, play as a single player, and upgrade your weapons directly through gameplay. Do you think you are worthy? So that is cool. They have working projects. This looks very good. So far, so good. This project right now, guys, not financial advice, but this right here is something that is worth the risk, all right? Not financial advice, not saying you have to do it, but it looks like it's worth the risk. Now, this is their Twitter page. So I'll just show you some of the pictures. So they have 14.1 thousand followers on Twitter. So this is some of the pictures. So always got to check out the Twitter page whenever you're investing in a project, because you want to make sure you're not investing in a dead project, because you want to make sure that the team is giving updates. That is also how you find out about the latest developments. So make sure to check out the Twitter page, the Reddit, the Telegram, the Discord, any and every information that you can find. So this was actually the post from December 21st that they are live and listed on L Bank. So as of December 21st, you can buy through L Bank. You can avoid the gas fees that you have to pay through PancakeSwap. So this is actually the LinkedIn page for Don. So he's one of the CEO and founder. As you can see his background. And this is also the LinkedIn page for Greg. He was the COO. So Chief Operating Officer. You can see his background. This is the Reddit page. So I found that they have actually two Reddit pages. So this one is a DEXIOPROTOCOL token Reddit page. This one has currently 2,000 members. Always check out the Reddit page, because that is where you're gonna find the latest developments, the latest updates, and also you're able to ask the Reddit community for help. If you're having issues with your wallet, anything like that, they will be willing to help you. These are the hodlers. They are the ones that help spread the word. They are the ones that ultimately help drive price. So this one, and then you have this Reddit page right here, DEXIOPROTOCOL, which has currently 368 members. This one doesn't look as active, so most likely this one is the only active right now. So we're gonna go with this one. Now, this was actually an AMA that they had. So I'll play a little bit of it. I'm not gonna play the entire thing. So it's Don and Greg.
Obviously, we released the wallet back in August. Is it August? Yeah, August.
Correct.
Yeah. And then we had kind of a long period where we didn't release anything, and all of a sudden we released the marketplace, released the Emporium, and then we released DEXI Nights. And so what we've been doing for the last week or two, since the release of DEXI Nights, we've been really focused on trying to improve those products. And actually, I got a really
All right, so I'm not gonna play the entire video, just playing a little bit of it, but I'll put a link to it. They also have an actual YouTube page for the project, so that is where I found the AMA. So you guys can check out the YouTube page and find out more about the project. So last but not least, some quick technical analysis. So we're looking at the chart, the daily chart right here. As you can see, price pumped up. This was actually after price pumped up so much that is why there was such a massive sell-off. And also, if you notice, like throughout November, a lot of altcoins started dropping, and also the recent Bitcoin crash which happened around the 3rd of December didn't help altcoins either. They caused them to crash even further. So things went down. It found a level of support around December 10th right here. So the purple line is the level of support and resistance, and the orange line right here, as you can see, the trend line. So practically since December 22nd, it has been breaking through this level of resistance and has been pumping up. There's a little pullback right here. It probably is gonna retest this level of support, who knows. But overall, as you can see, it's trending up, and it looks like price is gonna pump up and try to retest that previous all-time high. So as more momentum comes back into the crypto space, and as more momentum comes back into Bitcoin, and as we go into 2022, guys, this project right here is one of those sleeping giants. It's one of those projects that is not well known like that. As you can see, it's not ranked high, but the way to make money in crypto is being an early stage investor and getting into projects before people start talking about them, before they get listed on major exchanges. Not financial advice, but from what I've shown you guys so far, as you can see, the team shows their face. They are audited. You can see their LinkedIn page. You can email the CEO directly. They have a Telegram, Discord. They have a working project. They have the DEXI wallet and the Google Play app. They have the NFT Marketplace. Listen, not financial advice at all. But this project right here, it looks like it's one of those projects, if you're willing to invest at the early stages and you're willing to take the risk, this is one of those projects that looks like it's worth the risk. All right. And with that being said, guys, always make sure to invest what you're willing to lose. Never invest your rent money, your car note, nothing that you're gonna lose sleep at night if you end up losing. But this project looks like it has a very bright future. And of course, if you get listed on Kucoin and Gateio, as I've shown you that they said that they already submitted the application, listen, things look bright. So with that being said, guys, I am out, and I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas.